CEG opens up Supply Chain Finance 3.0. Supply Chain Finance, simplified as SCF, is a financing mode in which banks connect core enterprises with upstream and downstream enterprises to provide flexible financial products and services. According to McKinsey, supply chain finance has a huge potential value. The total global scale of supply chain finance business is close to $20 trillion, which is a very huge market. Traditional supply chain finance has great disadvantages. ERP systems among enterprises in the same supply chain are not interoperable, and there is also a lack of reliable information system to help enterprises in the supply chain to share and exchange data. The information system built thereby also has many problems such as data security and data accuracy. Information among enterprises is fragmented, and the whole chain of information is difficult to integrate, resulting in the trusted dilemma of multi-party cooperation, falsification, and deception are often accompanied by, while conducting complete assessments of risk control is impossible, resulting in problems such as difficulties in due diligence, which greatly affects the ecology of supply chain finance. CEG Supply Chain Finance Platform, built in conjunction with blockchain technology, perfectly solves the shortcomings of traditional supply chain finance. First of all, CEG unifies all asset formats by establishing standardized digital asset documents. Combined with CEG-ID's digital identity extended enterprise credit, coupled with CEG financial credit insurance, it has stabilized a complete credit system. On the basis of the above, CEG Supply Chain Finance Platform launched ABS Management Platform, where all funds undergo split management through intelligent contract of CEG blockchains to ensure the safety and reliability of funds. According to the credit rating and small and medium-sized enterprises within the CEG-ID to access the amount of financing to ensure fairness. Each complete financing process will improve rating within CEG-ID correspondingly, thus consulting a binning credit cycle. CEG-ID. CEG-ID is the credit data on the CEG main chain. All the line data at CEG and CEG partners will be uploaded to the chain. Through big data algorithm and certain rate evaluations, users obtain the credit and risk rating that belongs to them, which ensures the openness and transparency, the tamper-proof and absolute credibility of the credit data. CEG-ID will be the fundamental base and the only standards within the CEG supply chain and the financial platform. The CEG supply chain financial platform provides users with the following solutions based on the blockchain. 1. The accounts receivable. Through the standardization of digital asset vouchers, CEG Supply Chain Finance Platform facilitates online transfer, financing, and splitting of accounts receivable in the platform to help the core enterprises to maintain the supply chain, to achieve cross-level credit transfers of the core enterprises, broaden the service scope of financial institutions, and solve the financial problems of small and medium-sized enterprises. Core enterprises issue accounts receivable vouchers, split suppliers at all levels in the CEG platform, cash in the platform through the vouchers of core enterprises, and all parties receiving vouchers can apply financing through the CEG-ID platform and obtain corresponding funds according to the vouchers and the IDS. After that, the core enterprises will directly repay to the platform and exchange the payment vouchers at all levels. 2. Credit insurance. Supply chain enterprises that join CEG Supply Chain Financial Platform make credit risk further dispersed through enhancement of the credit insurance. Realizing that credit penetration of the supply chain financial system, standardized enterprise credit, realize the risk release, and meet the demand of the low-cost financing of small and medium-sized enterprises. 3. Digital warehouse receipt. Through the blockchain, warehouse and logistics companies, as well as insurance and quality inspection agencies, are consolidated to ensure the full process supervision of goods. All data linkings of warehouse receipts, transactions, information. Through the creation of blockchain supervision environment, it eliminates warehouse receipt fraud, ensures the security of funds, provide channels of warehouse receipt circulations from small to medium-sized enterprises, and then solves financial problems of small and medium-sized enterprises. 4. Logistics supply chain. In the logistics supply chain platform, based on the blockchain, real waybills are taken as digital assets, and multi-party trusted data are taken as audit reports, which are all recorded on the blockchain in a safe, complete, and permanent way. Through blockchain, we can achieve multi-party trusted cooperation, reduce the credit cost of financial institutions to logistics enterprises, and meet the financial needs of small and micro logistics enterprises at the end. CEG Supply Chain Finance Platform combines all participants in all aspects of the entire supply chain, providing them with multi-dimensional financial services. The orders, waybills, receipts, financing, warehousing, and logistic transactions of all participants in the supply chain can be operated on the same CEG platform. CEG uploads all platforms onto the chain to ensure the information is fair and open. Logistics information, product information, all the assets and shared changes will be uploaded to the chain. And in order to ensure the security of private information, CEG will also encrypt the special business information. Only the users who have permission can view, as to avoid the risk of business information leak. CEG platform not only provides services for the processes on the supply chain, but also finds a safe investment platforms for the funds. Traditional funds management can bring a variety of problems due to human operation. While CEG Smart Contract provides perfect solution to this problem, identity the best investment direction for high quality funds, CEG Supply Chain Finance Platform is no longer limited into a single supply chain, which will form a CEG Supply Chain Finance ecosystem, creating a K+1+B new pattern, where high quality capital can get the best investment targets, and high quality enterprises will not worry about the money. CEG will be the best choice for all high quality funds and quality enterprises. CEG will revolutionize supply chain finance, brings supply chain finance into a new era, and realize that perfect transition from supply chain finance 2.0 to the 3.0 era.